Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to share one very unique AI platform called Teacher Share. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. The best part is that it is designed according to the student's need. I am very sure that you have never experienced this kind of AI platform. So let's explore. First of all, you need to sign up. I'm using my Google ID. So it's completely free plan with premium features, free forever. So first of all, you need to write down a topic. I wrote inheritance pattern. So just write your topic and press tab to enhance your request. You can select grade. I'm selecting grade 12. Instructional purpose. Let me select independent practice. You can also add some file or YouTube video or website link. So because I have selected inheritance patterns, so I'm going to add one website which is relevant to inheritance pattern, and you can select instructional time. Usually it is 45 to 60 minutes. You can also add standard here and teaching strategy according to your requirement. I'm adding scaffolding, and the best part of this AI platform is the student's need. You can select the language. Multiple languages are available, you can see here, and also you can select the language proficiency of the student. So I'm selecting beginner. Let's click here. Wow, you can see here a very personalized independent practice sheet with learning goals has been generated. Look at the quality of this independence practice worksheet about inheritance pattern. You can see the vocabulary, you can see inheritance chart, self-assessment, application task. I never see any kind of AI which can generate such precise and quality standard work. On the right side, you can see there are quick actions. You can differentiate extension activity, adjust pacing, and design changes. This is really awesome. Once you complete your sheet, you can also export by assigning online, post on Google Classroom, print and download, and share with your colleagues. This platform is ideal for those educators who always need a very high quality work. I tried this platform and found very fruitful. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.